welcome to Have You Seen Us podcast. Today is July 17th, 2022. This is Kayleigh Marie Birdsong. She's missing from Mapleton, Kansas. She's been missing since July the 16th, 2022. She's 16 years old. She stands at about 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing around 183 pounds, with brown hair and green eyes. Kayleigh went missing after leaving the disturbance, and she indicated that she may harm herself. It's believed that Kayleigh may be in the Mapleton area, the Iola, the Fort Scott, or the Kansas. She could even be in Oklahoma. Kayleigh does not have a cell phone, nor has she been on social media. If you have any information, you're asked to please contact the Kansas City Sheriff's Office at area code 620-223-1440 of the KBI at 785-296-4017. Thanks again for watching Have You Seen Us podcast. Have a great day.